Hi beauties, so I haven't done color in so long. I feel so inspired and hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see me apply makeup, then just keep watching. I'm using the Louise Original Base. I think it is now called number 2. I'm going to be using the James Charles and Morphe palettes. So we're going to go in with this color right here called Yellow. And we're going to take this color all the way up here. And I'm just going to put it, like, pack it on first. And we're going to blend a little bit. I'm going to blend it out to my brow. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I low-key have no idea where I'm going with this look, but I'm going to take this pink shade over here. I'm just going to start applying it right here. The pink into the yellow should turn into orange because that's just how colors work. Blendy blend blend. I'm going a little bit higher with the color. Add in some yellow in here because that's gonna look the most appealing. I'm gonna use this purple right here. I'm gonna add a little bit of that right over here. Push that in and blend it out. And we're gonna just create a little bit of a C over here. Keep blending. Just keep blending. I'm taking some eyeshadow primer and I am gonna just kind of do not a cut crease but like a half cut crease. This back here and take some purple, so we're gonna take some more purple and just go back in with it a little bit. Taking the light pink in the palette and I'm just gonna put that right here. And just blend it into the purple, create a nice lavender. I'm going to use the NYX eyeliner and we're going to do a little wing. Using Maybelline Superstar. I'm gonna use some of this Nars concealer under my eye. I'm going to use this color right here in the inner part. Take this blush. Take some of this MAC powder. I'm going to take this Mercier color. It's called Muse. I'm going to add some highlight today because I feel like this look needs a little bit of, you know, highlight. Okay, so I'm going to use Dose of Colors Royal Hotness, which I love, you guys. I'm using this Real Techniques little brush. I'm going to use Redo from Beauty Blender to set everything. Especially the highlight. Yeah. This is the completed look, you guys. I love it. I haven't played in color like this in so long, but I feel so inspired. Hope you guys like this look. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!